Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with clean, detangled hair. Brush thoroughly so sections hold. First, part your hair straight down the middle and secure one side with a clip. This keeps tension even. Next, decide bun placement. High for playful, low for relaxed, and use a fingertip to mark the spot. Once done, mist lightly with leave-in or texturizing spray so the hair grips. Make sure to keep the roots smooth as you begin the next step. You now form the foundation. Gather hair to the marker and smooth with a brush or tail comb so no bumps show. Hold the section taut and wrap an elastic around the hair until the pigtail is secure. Tightness matters because it controls shape and longevity. Once both pigtails are secured, twist or loosely braid each tail to compact the length. This step makes forming neat, symmetrical buns easier and reduces frizz when you coil the hair. Take one twisted pigtail and coil it around the base into a circular bun, keeping tension so it sits firm against your scalp. Secure with bobby pins and, if needed, a second elastic. Repeat on the other side, then check symmetry by looking straight on. Once both buns are set, smooth edges with a light mist of hairspray or a dab of serum to tame flyaways. If a bun feels loose, add 2 pins at opposite angles. This prevents slipping and balances hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.